Hi there. In our last section, you learn about the geometric sequence. In this section, you are going to learn how to find the sum of geometric sequence. So let's begin. Sum of geometric sequence. Let a1, a2, a3 dash 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 an be the n terms of geometric sequence. Then the sum of first n terms Sn is given as Sn is equal to, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all these terms. So I will write a plus ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus dash 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 plus ar to the power n minus 1, where a is my first term, this is ar is my second term, ar square is my third term, and then my last term is ar to the power n minus 1. What I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply this equation by r, and if I do that, I will write r times Sn, which is r Sn, is equal to r times a is ar, which is over here, r times ar is ar square, which is over here, r times ar square is ar cube, which is over here. In the same way, our second last term is ar to the power n minus 1, and our last term is ar to the power n. And this is my equation 2. What I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1, and if I do that, all the terms will be cancelled out, only first and the last term will be left. So I will write Sn minus r Sn, which is over here, is equal to a minus ar to the power n, which is over here. As you can see, Sn is common on the left side and a is common on the right side. So I'm going to take that common, and if I do that, I will write Sn times 1 minus r is equal to a times 1 minus r to the power n. Now I need to find the value of Sn, so I'm going to divide both sides by 1 minus r, and if I do that, my final term will be Sn is equal to a times 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. And this is my sum of first n terms of any geometric sequence. Now let's consider about some cases that we can talk about this geometric sequence. Case 1. If r is equal to 1, then Sn equals to n times a. Case 2. If r is greater than 1, then Sn is equal to a times r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1. If r is less than 1, then Sn equals to a times 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. So basically we have three cases for the sum of geometric sequence.